डज मोटिवेशन इवन हेल्प? इतने सारे मैं मोटिवेशन वीडियो बनाता हूँ, बट ऑनेस्टली कई बार मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि ये मोटिवेशन के जो भी इंडस्ट्री है, does it even work? Because I'm not a full-time motivational speaker. I'm a writer. Before that, I was a banker. Motivation came to me accidentally, and I think it's important to discuss that, and that's what I'll discuss in this video. Does motivation even work? Why I'm asking this question is because I must tell you कि कैसे मैं motivation speaker actually बना. I was not planning to be a motivational speaker, and I remember I was invited in 2006 to college Symbiosis in Pune, and they had a convocation, no entry. They had a first induction day of their new class, and they told me to give a speech there. तो मुझे कोई इतनी स्पीच वीच देने की आदत नहीं थी और इतना मेरे को कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं थी, तो मैंने बैठ के वो स्पीच लिखी. Normally I don't write the whole speech these days, I just maybe have some points, but that time I actually wrote the whole speech just to be cautious. So that speech was called Sparks, and that speech you can even Google and say Chetan Bhagat Sparks, you'll get that speech. Because I not only did the speech, I had the blog at that time on my site, and I put the speech on the site because I said I wrote this. I gave this guy 2006 only, like I had done one book. I wasn't that popular. I would put everything on my blog and things like that. Now this is the era where obviously WhatsApp and all wasn't there, but people started forwarding this speech on email to each other, or links of this speech to each other during the various methods that were there at that time, Messenger and all that. And it became what you call in those days viral. That was the Sparks speech of Chetan Bhagat, which became viral. I think it's still a pretty nice speech, although I must say my kids were very young at that time. They were like less than 2 years old. They had come with me to Pune for this, and they were running around the room. I was still trying to write this speech, so I didn't think it'll ever go viral. Anyway, so the Sparks speech going viral meant that I started getting a lot of invites from various colleges saying that please come and give a talk here also. Now I tried to go, but at that time I had not even left the bank. I was working in a bank, so I could only do like maybe one or two a month on the weekends, and it was kind of difficult. And then I left my job, and by that time there were so many invitations coming. I turned it into a professional business. I felt like, okay, this is taking a lot of my time, and maybe in another videos I'll talk about, but I always try to make sure that people should learn to. I wanted to develop the motivational speaker industry for writers, motivational speakers. These guys should be paid. Somehow people feel कि like अरे राइटर है, इनको क्या पैसे देने की जरूरत है, इनको तो बस बोलने को मौका मिल रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So I at least never do that. So anyway, so then I became a professional speaker, but still the question in my head was, does this really work? ये जो मोटिवेशन का ड्रामा मैं करे जा रहा हूँ, इससे कुछ होता भी है कि ये ऐसे टाइम पास है, right? By that time, a lot of corporate talks also I started to do. Not just colleges, corporates used to call me in their offsites and their retreats. I had to motivate people, and I would be like, am I just a form of entertainment? कि भाई they can't have a comedy skit, तो चलो कहने को एक speaker बुला देगा, ये motivate कर रहा है, but actually बस time pass करना है और निकल जाना है. Or does motivation really work? Now I was what you call a motivation skeptic. Even though मैं motivation speaker हूँ, मुझे लगा था ये सब नहीं काम करता, क्योंकि मैं खुद बैंक में काम कर चुका था, और बैंक में मैं 10 साल काम किया, और मैंने खुद अटेंड किया मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स के इवेंट्स. तो मुझे लगता है क्या है मोटिवेशन स्पीकर, नहीं होंगे मोटिवेट करके दिखा, विच इज़ ऑब्वियसली अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे टू लुक एट मोटिवेशन. बिकॉज अगर आपने चैलेंज ले लिया कि मैंने मोटिवेट नहीं होना है, तो या इट्स वेरी इजी, यू वोंट गेट मोटिवेटेड. बट आई हैव नाउ आफ्टर 300+ इवेंट्स, then I meet people afterwards, like लोग मेरे से 1 साल बाद मिले, 2 साल बाद मिले, और फिर भी कहते हैं सर हमें आपकी टॉक याद है, हमें अच्छा लगा था आपने जो बोला, मेरे को अपने पे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, and I decided to change something. Not everybody says that, but some people do say that, and it happens repeatedly, and it happens on the internet also. People will write on my videos, like some of you might comment on this video also. Thank you so much for those who do, and I do read them. So sometimes people say, yeah, okay, your videos help me, and it is, if nothing else, it makes me think differently. It makes me less distracted in life. People can easily get lost in TikTok and reels, and even on YouTube there's super entertainment available, but when you see a video like this, you feel like, okay यार, कोई अक्ल की बात हो रही है, थोड़ी काम की बात हो रही है. and sometimes it works. And I myself now consume, believe it or not, a lot of motivational content. I see a lot of motivational videos, obviously not mine, but there's so many nice videos I see. I read a lot of motivational articles to help me to make my video. And but more than anything it is because I feel motivation works. Why? Because हमारा जो brain है उसकी एक tendency है, और वो tendency हमारे दिमाग की ये है to quit, to worry, to undermine yourself. अपने आप को ये कह रहा है तू बेवकूफ़ है, तू तुझसे नहीं होगा, तेरे बस का नहीं है. ऑल दिस नेगेटिव जोन में ब्रेन के जाने की काफ़ी आदत है. तो कोई बार ऐसा होता है कि कोई और जना लाइफ में आ जाता है, स्पेशली इफ़ यू लुक अप टू दैट पर्सन लिटिल बिट, दे कैन ब्रिंग योर ब्रेन बैक टू अ पॉजिटिव स्पेस कि अरे यार ये ऐसे नहीं सोचना है, कि क्विट नहीं करना है, वरी नहीं करना है, कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा ना. So that can be a motivational speaker, that can be your boss, that can be your friend, that can be an auto driver also. Sometimes it's just somebody who was there available at that time. So it's like I always give the example कि it's like a lamp. Motivation, आपके अंदर एक लैम्प है, दिया है, वो आपका दिया बुझ गया है पर मेरा अभी तक नहीं बुझा है, तो मैंने अपने दिए से आपके दिए को वापस जला दिया. लेकिन कल हो सकता है मेरा दिया बुझ जाए, तो फिर किसी और को उसे जलाना पड़ेगा, या आप किसी का जला सकते हो. इनफैक्ट I feel like sometimes I get demotivated too. तो मुझे मोटिवेशन यूज़ होती है, और कई बार मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा होता है. कई बार I'll read article on running, for example. I'm like, okay, I want to go for a run now. और just it's so nice to see कि तुम्हारा माइंड ही चेंज हो गया just by consuming a video or an article, which is I think the ultimate thing you can do for people is that tell people कि यार तू कर सकता है बस. And the other thing I would say is motivation एक बार में नहीं होती. Like you will see this video, ये नहीं कि आपकी लाइफ लॉन्ग आप मोटिवेशन हो गया, या आपने मेरा एक इवेंट अटेंड किया उस दिन आप मोटिवेट हो गए तो हमेशा के लिए आप मोटिवेटेड हो गए. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. What will happen is कि you will need repeated doses of motivation, not just from me. कुछ और वीडियो देख लिया, कोई और आर्टिकल देख लिया. I call it like it's like a bath. आप नहाते हो, फ्रेश हो जाते हो, लेकिन अगले दिन आपको फिर नहाना पड़ता है, फिर से आपको नहाओगे तभी वो फ्रेश फीलिंग आएगी. सेम मोटिवेशन भी आपको अपने आप को रेगुलरली मोटिवेशन कंज्यूम करनी पड़ेगी. सो येस, मोटिवेशन डज वर्क. इट डेफिनेटली कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म योर लाइफ. दैट इज़ वाई आई डू इट. आई बिलीव इन इट नाउ. आई डिडंट अर्लियर. And yeah, from time to time you have to keep refreshing your motivational doses. Believe in motivation. Keep motivating yourself. Take care.